Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic. If you're a fan of reliability, performance, and sleek design, this one's for you. We'll explore everything from its exterior and interior to performance and pricing, so stick around till the end. Starting with the exterior, Honda has taken a bold yet refined approach with the 2025 Civic. The front fascia looks sharper, with a more aggressive grille design and sleek LED headlights that give it a sporty yet sophisticated presence. The aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from front to back, making the car look more dynamic and modern. The new alloy wheel designs add to the premium feel, and depending on the trim level, you can get stylish 17-inch or 18-inch wheels. At the rear, Honda has integrated a sleek light bar that connects the taillights, enhancing its futuristic appeal. The overall structure remains compact yet spacious, maintaining that signature Civic look with a fresh 2025 touch. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Civic is where Honda has really stepped up its game. The cabin feels more premium than ever, with high-quality soft-touch materials and a minimalist yet modern dashboard design. The infotainment system now features a larger touchscreen, ranging from 7 inches on the base model to a 9-inch screen on higher trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making connectivity seamless. The digital driver's display provides crisp visuals and useful driving information. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with available leather upholstery in higher trims. Honda has also improved cabin insulation, making the ride quieter and more comfortable. The backseat offers decent legroom, ensuring passengers have a comfortable experience. Cargo space remains practical, making the Civic a great choice for both daily commutes and long road trips. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Honda Civic offers two engine options. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 158 horsepower, providing a smooth and fuel-efficient ride. For those looking for more power, the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine delivers an impressive 180 horsepower, giving it an extra punch for a more engaging driving experience. Honda's CVT transmission ensures seamless shifts and improved fuel efficiency. The handling remains one of the Civic's strong points, offering precise steering and a well-balanced suspension system that makes cornering a breeze. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the Civic offers a refined yet sporty experience. For enthusiasts, the Civic C and Type R models push performance to the next level, offering turbocharged power with sportier suspension tuning and enhanced aerodynamics. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda Civic starts at around $24,000 for the base model, offering great value for its features. The mid-range X trim, which includes a turbocharged engine and additional luxury features, is priced around $27,000. If you want the top-of-the-line touring model with all the premium upgrades, expect to pay around $30,000. For those looking at high-performance variants, the Civic C starts at around $30,500, while the powerful Type R can go well beyond $44,000, depending on options. So, is the 2025 Honda Civic worth it? Absolutely. With its stylish design, premium interior, impressive performance, and competitive pricing, it remains one of the best compact sedans on the market. Whether you're a daily commuter or an enthusiast looking for a fun-to-drive car, there's a Civic for everyone. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Civic. Would you buy one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews. See you in the next video.